PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Friday the 13th, March 13th, 2009. James Spann here, getting set for a good soaking as we start the weekend. Let's go to some of the Skycam images this morning. First off, we'll start with the Birmingham Skycam. As looking south from the Daniel building, no rain here, but let's go to the west, Tuscaloosa, rain falling there. It's the Hugh Thomas Bridge connecting Tuscaloosa and Northport. We'll keep going west. How about Newton, Mississippi? That is over on the other side of Meridian, and rain is falling there. And everybody will get wet at some point over the next 48 hours. And there's the deal, a shortwave trough rotating through the southwest United States, a southwest flow aloft here, a stalled surface boundary. Yep, all of the ingredients are there for rain. And there's a look at the rain this morning at 5 o'clock, moving into West Alabama. Rain falling over Tuscaloosa, Pickens, Fayette, Lamar counties, and that's moving east. Looks like it should be raining in Birmingham, more than likely by the time you watch this video. And it's a good rain. This is suggesting amounts of 2 inches over a pretty good chunk of Alabama between now and Sunday morning. And it's a good rain in that we don't expect any flooding. We don't expect any severe weather. Look at the modeling here. This is the OZGFS at noon today. And there's the trough approaching from the west, southwest flow aloft at the surface. It's just going to be a cool, wet day. Highs in the mid to upper 50s today. And the rain should be mainly over the northern half. If you're down south, you'll be dry and mild. South of Montgomery, as again, we've got that big thermal gradient across the state. Tomorrow should be the day with the heaviest rain. And again, not enough to produce any flooding, but just a nice 1016 surface low moving on the front. Could be a bit of thunder, but again, severe weather not expected because of the stable air. And once again, the models are trending dry Sunday, and we're trending that way as well. If this is right, all of the rain Sunday will be way down south, and maybe even a few peaks of sunshine Sunday afternoon, with temperatures getting back up in the 60s. Monday of next week, this is suggesting rain over the southern half of the state. North Alabama dry. If this is right, there will be some rain down at the beach, and a lot of folks are planning beach trips with spring break. That looks a little on the wet side down there Monday, while, say, Birmingham would be dry. And by golly, Tuesday, the latest run here really keeps the moisture over the Gulf Coast. Not a lot of rain, just for enough for a few scattered showers. And again, around here, we look dry. Now, Wednesday, the model tries to move that moisture northward. And we're not going to buy this at this point. We've got most of next week dry, and we're going to leave it that way. We'll just keep an eye on that. That might require some mention of a shower, but no big deal. Thursday, a shortwave is passing north of the state. That pushes a cold front down this way. And again, that might kick off a shower over the Tennessee Valley, if this is correct. And then Friday, that front is on by, and the really cool air stays north. That looks like a seasonal kind of day with highs in the 60s. And that looks dry. And then the following day, Saturday, the 21st of March, looks dry. So after this good soaking today and tomorrow, a relatively quiet pattern seems to be shaping up around here for much of next week. The end of the forecast on the 28th, hey, that looks cold. Kind of a high amplitude pattern with cold air down across the deep south. The 540 line almost all the way down to Mobile. Yeah, we can have some late cold snaps. You know that. And that is expected. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.